Hello guys, welcome back to the Analog Dinosaur Show. Today we're in beautiful St. Petersburg and on a kind of cloudy day, but still a very nice day to shoot a video. So today I'm going to continue my series on composition techniques. And today we have a very popular technique that we're discussing, which is called leading lines. So what is leading lines? So if you're looking at this frame right now, you can see that there are lines behind me that are converging on me. So this is really the essence of leading lines. So what it means, basically, you have two or more lines which are leading up to a particular point in your photo, and that's really all it is. And what you can do with leading lines is you can really create a path for the eye into specific points of interest inside the photo, or as in triangles or with geometry, you can link several parts of the image together. And what you want to do when you have leading lines is you really want to use the corners and take lines from the corners and lead them to wherever you want your viewer to be looking at in your photo. So really, to look for leading lines, you can look for roads, such as this one, which is really nice for finding leading lines. Or you can look at rivers, or you can look at fences, or you can look at, say, lampposts, which are going to one direction like this. And basically what you're using is the effect of perspective. So now let's have a look at some really cool examples of the use of leading lines. Here's a photo from a classic rediscovered street photographer called Vivian Maier. And here we can see it's really pretty clear use of leading lines. So we have basically two main lines that are leading up to our subject. So you can see that these stairs are forming a line here, which ends right about there on the subject. And then we have the curb right here, which is forming another line, again leading our eye here. And again here you see we got a very cool triangle going on. Then again you got just a tiny little line here, which again leads you back to these subjects. And then if you look further away in the distance in the background, you can see this line leading up to here, and you can also count this line leading up to here. So there you have it. We can just clearly see how all these lines are leading us straight to the subject. Here's a really cool photo by Jacob Aue Sobol, who's a Danish photographer, a member of Magnum. So here's a photo from his project, I Tokyo. So if you remember our previous lessons about curves or circles, we can see the head right here is forming basically a curve, which is a really cool point of interest. But again, to emphasize this, to lead us to the subject, Jakob has used these shadows right here as leading lines. So we can see they go straight up to the subject. Then, of course, you can see there's some line here as well. And again, this line here, which also pretty much leads us back to the subject. And here is, again, an amazing photo from Alex Webb, one of my favorite photographers, from his project in Cuba. So you can see again, actually, there's a couple of techniques going on here. You can see the use of geometry again. There's a circle right here, which is basically, making up the head of this boy who's the main subject. Then there's a frame within a frame, actually, this circle right here, which is amazing in capturing our attention. But not only that, we can get the use of leading lines in this photo as well. So you can see this line here, it leads to this circle, and bam, another line here, and another line here leading us up to the circle, and you can see another line here, and these rooftops here are completing the photo. And here you go. You can see again how leading lines just lead our eye to the subject. And there you have it. Here's my video on leading lines in composition in photography. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more content like this, hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day and shoot some fantastic photos. Bye bye.